Good morning, my dear students. Today we will study about the exercise 5.4, which is optional, which is not necessary for the examination point of view, but it is necessary for your understanding purpose. So we must have to do exercise 5.4. Question number first, each term of AP 121, 117, 113 is the first term, first negative term. We have the given AP, that means we have to find out which term of AP is the negative term. So we are writing the AP. First one, question number first, our AP is 121, 117, 113. We have to find which term of given AP is the negative. Which term of given AP is the negative. If the given AP will be negative, then you can know that and you can write AN is greater than 0. बेटा for negative, ये किसके लिए है? For negative term. Negative term के लिए क्या है? AN से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. क्यों? If 10, तो AN मतलब क्या? That means some numerical value. AN means what? Some numerical value. For example, if AN मतलब what? Nth term or the last term or any term. If any term is minus 30. Example, this is not a question, this is example. अगर minus 30 है, मेरा AN क्या है? minus 30 है, इससे बड़ा क्या है? always 0 है. So 0 is always greater than any negative number. So इसीलिए due to that we are writing here 0 is greater than AN. इसीलिए हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? AN is less than 0. AN is less than 0. Otherwise you can say that 0 is greater than AN. Then we are writing here the for negative term AN is less than 0. Here A equal to how much? 1 to 1. D equal to how much? D equal to 117 minus 1 to 1. D equal to how much? Minus 4. D equal to how much? Minus 4. So we have to find out the negative term. Which term of given AP is negative? तो हम क्या करते हैं? AN is less than 0 for negative term, क्योंकि negative term पूछ रहा है. According to the question, यहाँ हम लिखते हैं according to the question, AN से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. तो AN क्या है? A plus N minus 1 into D से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? A क्या है? 1 to 1 plus N minus 1. We don't have N minus 1. D क्या है? D is minus 4. इससे बड़ा क्या है? 0 है. 1 to 1 plus minus minus 4n minus plus 4. इससे बड़ा क्या है? 0 है. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 121 plus 4 125 minus 4n से बड़ा क्या? 0 हो जाएगा. 125 से बड़ा 0 plus 4n हो जाएगा. अब ये क्या होगा? 125 से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? 4n. 125 by 4 से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? n हो जाएगा. So n will be how much? तो कितना हो जाएगा? 125 divided by 4. 125 divided by 4. 4 3 जा 12. 1. That means 31 4 जा 31 1 by 4. That means fraction. That means ये क्या हो? 31 point something हो गया. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? फ्रैक्शन में ये 31 4 जा 124 plus 1. इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 31 1 by 4. 31 1 by 4 से बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? n. So nth टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? इससे बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? n हो जाएगा. n क्या हो जाएगा? इससे बड़ा हो जाएगा. So if the n will be greater than 30 1 by 4, that means n will be the 32th term. That means 32th term of the given AP will be negative. So 32th term of given AP will be negative. इसीलिए क्या हो जाएगा? 32वां टर्म जो है एपी का वो क्या हो जाएगा, निगेटिव होगा, क्योंकि ये फ्रैक्शन क्या है अपना, n का वैल्यू क्या है, n इज गिवन इन द फ्रैक्शन राइट नाउ वी हैव, बट फ्रैक्शन में तो टर्म होता नहीं है, इससे बड़ा है, n इससे बड़ा है, तो कौन सा टर्म होगा, 31 1/4 से बड़ा कौन सा टर्म होगा, 32 टर्म हो जाएगा. सो वी आर राइटिंग, सो 32 टर्म ऑफ गिवन AP will be the sum of the third and the seventh term of AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 term of AP. So sum of the third term according to the question T3 and according to the question, that means the first statement of the question, sum of the third and the seventh term of AP is 6 and their product is 8. So we are writing T3 plus T7 is equal to 6. That is our equation number first. Third term plus seventh term का sum क्या है, 6 है. So we can write here T3 equal to A plus 2D and T7 is equal to A plus 6D. So from equation 1, A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. A plus A2A plus 8D is equal to 6. Now 2 common, A plus 4D is equal to 6. So 2 3 is 6. Here A plus 4D equal to 3. Here A plus 4D equal to 3. अब क्या है, that is A plus 4D equal to 3. That is our equation. Now यहाँ से बेटा A का वैल्यू निकाल के हम क्या करेंगे, दूसरे में डाल देंगे, दूसरा इक्वेशन जो अपना फॉर्म होगा, we will get another equation because the product is the 8. Yes, their product is the 8. So here what are the value of A? Here once again T3 plus T7, that is given. T3 plus the sum of third term and seventh term is 6. The sum of the third term and the seventh term is 6. So we are writing here T3 equal to A plus 2D and T7 equal to A plus 6D. A plus 2D plus A plus 6D, 2A plus 8D. यहाँ पे बेटा 2 कॉमन आ गया, A plus 4D, 2 3 या 6, ये कट गया, A plus 4D equal to 3. So here A equal to 3 minus 4D. यहाँ पे A का वैल्यू क्या हो गया, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Now another statement is the product is 8. So product, how can we write the product? Second statement. Second statement क्या है बेटा अपना, A plus 2D. Second statement is T3 into T7 is equal to 8. So we are writing here A plus 2D multiply A plus 6D is equal to 8. So we are writing here what the value of A, 3 minus 4D. 3 minus 4D plus 1 second. 3 minus 4D, what the value of A, 3 minus 4D plus 2D multiply what the value of A, 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. ये क्या हो बेटा, यहाँ पे 3 minus 4D plus 2D and multiply 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. Now 3 minus 4D plus 2D, 3 minus 2D. So we are writing here 3 minus 2D, 3 minus 2D into 3 minus 2D, 3 minus 3 plus 2D, 3 plus 2D because 3 minus 4D plus 6D. यहाँ पे minus 2D, यहाँ पे plus 2D, that is equal to A. A plus B into A minus B, that means A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B equal to how much? A square. A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write here 9 is 3 square minus 2d square is equal to 8. यहाँ पे 9 minus 4d square is equal to 8. यहाँ पे now minus 4d square is equal to, otherwise you can do it like this way. 9 minus 8 is equal to 4d square. 1 equal to 4d square. 1 by 4 is equal to d square. So d equal to how much? Plus minus root under 1 by 4. So d equal to plus minus root under 1 by 4. That means d equal to how much? Plus minus 1 by 2. At first we have to take the value of d equal to plus 1 by 2. Another time we have to take value of d equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So put the value of d in equation 2. Put the value of d equal to 1 by 2 in equation 2. 2 में डाल देते बेटा अपना value. A equal to how much? A equal to, at first d we have to take 1 by 2, then we have to take minus 1 by 2. So d equal to, that means A equal to 3 minus 4d, that is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2, that means what? 3 to 2 is 4, that means 3 minus 2 equal to 1. यहाँ पे equal to क्या हो गया? A equal to 1 and take d equal to minus 1 by 2, then how much? A d equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have 3 minus 4d, that is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. 2 2 is 4, minus minus plus 3 minus 1 into minus 2, that means plus 2. Minus minus plus 3 plus 2, that is 5. A equal to 5. Here we have, यहाँ पे if d equal to 1 by 2, then A equal to how much? 1 by 2. Sorry, A equal to how much? 1. And if d equal to minus 1 by 2, then A equal to 5. Now, what they are asking in the question? Now, in the question they are asking for the 16th term. तो पहले A बराबर, now sum of 16th term of given AP. If d equal to 1 by 2 and A equal to 1, then S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1, 16 minus, because n is equal to here, n is equal to 16, 16 minus 1 into d 1 by 2, now equal to 8, 2 plus 15 into 1 by 2, 8, 2 plus 15 by 2, that is how much? That is 8 into 2, 2 2 is 4, plus 15 by 2, that is equal to how much? 8 into 19 by 2, that is equal to 76. That is equal to how much? 76. If d equal to 1 by 2 and A equal to 1, and n will be always same in the both condition, so S16 is equal to how much? 76. Second condition, if A equal to 5 and D equal to minus 1 by 2, then n is the same, n equal to 16 for the both case. So S16 equal to n by 2, 16 by 2, 2a, 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1, D how much? D into how much? minus 1 by 2. So that is the 8. 10 plus 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into minus 1 by 2. 15 into minus 1 by 2. 8 into 10 plus minus plus minus minus, then we are writing here minus 15 by 2. So 8 into 20 minus 15 by 2. Here we can write 8 into 5 by 2. 4, that is equal to 20. S16 equal to how much? 20. We have the sum of 16 term in the two cases. But अपने पास two case में क्या है? Sum of 16 term है. That means if n is equal to, if a equal to 5, d equal to minus 1 by 2, and n equal to 16, then we have S16 is equal to how much? 20. And if n is equal to 16, a equal to 1, and d equal to plus 1 by 2, then in this case we have S16 equal to 76. So answer will be, so sum of 16th term of given AP will be, is already we have is 20 and 76. That is our answer. I hope all of you are able to understand that question. A ladder has rungs 25 cm apart. See the figure number 5.7. The rungs decreases uniformly in the length of 45 cm at the bottom to the 25 cm at the top. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2.5 meter apart, what is the length of the wood required for the rungs? Now, we have, this is the 25 centimeter. Last one is 25 centimeter. That is dimension of this one. 25 centimeter and bottom one is the 45 centimeter. ये length क्या है यहाँ पर? 45 centimeter. And the distance between 2 into 1 by 2 meter and the distance is also how much? That is also 25 centimeter. Now, यहाँ पे टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या दिया हुआ है? 2 into 1 by 2 meter. That means distance between the lower rugs and the upper rugs. So, distance between rungs equal to 2 into 1 by 2 meter, because our, except this unit, our all those unit is in centimeter, so we have to change this one into the centimeter. So 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to, that is meter, equal to 5 by 2 meter, that is equal to 5 by 2 into 100, that is a centimeter, that is equal to 250 centimeter. Now this distance will be how much? 250 centimeter. इसको हम लोग सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया. Now number of rugs is equal to how much? Number of कितना दिया हुआ है और क्या क्वेश्चन है? For the rugs decreases uniformly in the length 45. Okay. If the top bottom is now, what is the length of the wood required for the rugs? Now, बेटा डिस्टेंस क्या दिया हुआ है? अब क्या है? दो के बीच का डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है. That means right now we have the distance between two rungs. दो consecutive rungs के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है? Already we have the 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter के सीढ़ी जानते हो वही है ये. तो 25 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे क्या है? दूसरा स्टेप है, फिर दूसरा है. तो हर एक के बीच का डिस्टेंस क्या है? यहाँ भी 25 सेंटीमीटर होगा. हर एक के बीच का डिस्टेंस क्या है? 25 सेंटीमीटर है। बट हम क्या देखते हैं, ये चौड़ाई जो ब्रेथ जो होता है ये लेडर का, ये क्या होता है, कम होता जा रहा है ऊपर की ओर, जैसे जा रहा है तो कम होते जा रहा है। हमको टोटल व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द वुड व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर्म द स्टेप्स। जितना टोटल लकड़ी का लेंथ लगा वो अपने को फाइंड आउट करना है। तो यहाँ पर हम नंबर ऑफ रग्स कितना ये है, ये स्टेप्स कितने हैं, इसको फाइंड आउट करना है। नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स व्हिच इज इंक्लूडेड इन दैट लेडर, इसमें कितना स्टेप्स इंक्लूड हुआ है वो निकालना है। तो नंबर ऑफ रंग्स हम क्या लिखते हैं, दैट इज इक्वल टू 250 बाय 25 प्लस 1। व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग प्लस 1, व्हेन वी आर डिवाइडिंग इंटायर लेंथ बाय 25 तो हमें क्या आता है, बीच वाला होता क्या है, एक लीव हो जाता है, एक छूट जाता है। तो इसी के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, 1 को ऐड करते हैं। अगर कितना भी डिस्टेंस हो तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, प्लस 1 इसीलिए करते हैं क्योंकि दोनों के बीच वाला आता है। फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए अब दोनों के बीच की दूरी हम काउंट करते हैं। अगर यहाँ पर कितना है नंबर ऑफ, मान लो यहाँ पर हम इसको काउंट करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, तो ये क्या है 1 2, नंबर ऑफ रग्स कितना है 1 2 3 हो गया। टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू रग्स दैट इज 3। 1 2 3 रग्स कितना है 1 2 3 4। इसीलिए हम क्या करते हैं, when we are dividing the 250 by 25 then we have to not get the exact number of rugs, due to that we have to add 1, क्योंकि अगर 2 के 2 3 यहाँ पे स्पेस कितना है 3 दिया हो, 1 A that is the B इंटायर, यहाँ से यहाँ तक B और यहाँ से यहाँ तक मान लो C हो गया। तो ये क्या 3 स्पेस है, लेकिन 3 स्पेस के बीच में रग्स कितना है 4 है। कैसे 1 2 3 4, बिकॉज 1 इज लिविंग। 1 क्या होता है, जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो 1 रिमूव हो जाता है, लीव हो जाता है, ड्यू टू दैट वी आर एडिंग प्लस 1। तो नंबर ऑफ रग्स कितना हो गया 25 बाय 250 बाय 25 प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 11। सो number of rungs is equal to how much, 11. Now we have to find out the total, और यहाँ पर क्या है a equal to how much, a equal to 45, a equal to 45। सबसे पहला वाला जो है वो कितना लेंथ है 45 सेंटीमीटर, एंड tn और an इक्वल टू हाउ मच 25। अब बेटा tn और an क्यों कहते हैं, tn और an क्यों कहते हैं, बिकॉज द लेंथ ऑफ द लास्ट rungs is how much, that is the 25 centimeter, d is always 25 centimeter, d is always 25 centimeter, what d is always 25 centimeter। So here tn equal to 25 and a equal to how much 45। a बेटा क्या, a equal to 45, that means the length of the first rungs is equal to how much 45 centimeter and last one is the 25। so this is the a। आप जानते हो बेटा इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, this is known as the t1 और a, this is the tn, ये tn है और an है। so we are writing here number of rungs is equal to how much 11। so s11 is equal to how much 11 by 2, 2a, a is equal to how much। अब यहाँ पे क्या बेटा अपने को a है और tn दोनों दिया हुआ है। a, if we have a and the tn then directly we can use here the formula। तो a plus 45 plus tn क्या है 25 है, tn क्या है 25 है, डायरेक्टली we can use here sn equal to sn वाला ये फॉर्मूला डालते हैं n by 2 a plus tn, we are using this formula। so how much 11 by 2 into how much 70 into 2, that means 35। now s11 equal to how much 35 into 11, that is equal to how much 385, that is the centimeter, that is the centimeter। so this is the total length of the wood which is required to form this type of ladder। बेटा ये टोटल वुड का लेंथ हो गया जो हमें चाहिए पूरे लेडर को फॉर्म करने के लिए, दैट इज योर आंसर। सो S11 is equal to 385 centimeter. Now we have to write centimeter because unit is the centimeter. So we have to need, otherwise answer you can write the S11 equal to 385 by 100 meter, that is equal to 3.85 meter also. You can write this or this, both is the same.